very strong, fraternal and friendly relations. And on this joyous occasion, I extend our heartfelt felicitations to His Highness the Amir, the government and the brotherly people of Qatar. Ladies and gentlemen, today we commemorate the historic unification of the Qatari tribes in 1878 under the visionary leadership of His Highness Sheikh Jassim bin Mohammed Al Thani, founder of the state of Qatar. And on this special occasion, we deeply resonate with the thoughtful words of my dear brother, the Amir of Qatar, His Highness Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. Bikum ta'alu wa minkum tanazar. Bikum ta'alu wa minkum tatanazar. The nation rises with you and waits for you. These timeless words remind us that the real strength of a nation lies in its people. His Highness the Amir's vision has always placed human development at the heart of national progress. Under his sagacious stewardship of my dear brother Amir of Qatar, Qatar has not only achieved remarkable economic diversification through Vision 2030, but has also emerged as a beacon of stability and constructive engagement in an increasingly complicated world. From successfully hosting the FIFA World Cup 2022 to mediating peace in conflict zones, Qatar's contribution to global progress are both profound and awe-inspiring. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan and Qatar share bonds that transcend geography. Our strategic partnership is multifaceted and dynamic, spanning energy security, trade and investment, defense collaboration, and vibrant people-to-people contact. Over 150,000 Pakistanis live and work in Qatar with dignity and are contributing very productively to Qatar's national development. Qatari investments in Pakistan's infrastructure, real estate and renewable energy are helping drive our economic revival. Ladies and gentlemen, I had the honor of visiting Doha twice this year. First, to express our solidarity with Qatar when it faced aggression from Israel, and later to attend the extraordinary Arab-Islamic Summit. Similarly, we are grateful to the leadership and people of Qatar for standing steadfastly with Pakistan when we faced aggression earlier this year. Pakistan deeply appreciates Qatar's distinguished and long-standing role as the emissary of peace, a nation that has repeatedly opened doors for dialogue, helped diffuse tensions, and encouraged reconciliation with the noble aim of fostering peace and stability in the region and beyond. Pakistan stands shoulder to shoulder with our Qatari brothers in advancing a shared vision of secure, prosperous and interconnected region. Ladies and gentlemen, I conclude with a prayer to Allah Almighty that the state of Qatar continue to excel in its glorious journey towards peace, prosperity and global leadership. Long live Pakistan-Qatar friendship. अखिल करीम अंतुम तबन सफ़ीर व ضيوف लेकिन अव्वलन इख्वान وأننا نحب شعب القطر من قلبي. هذا نقطة مهمة جدا حتى القيامة إن شاء الله.
We now invite His Excellency the Prime Minister of Pakistan, the Ambassador of the State of Qatar, our esteemed guests, for the cake cutting ceremony in celebration of Qatar National Day.
कतर के कौमी दिन की तकरीब वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने खिताब किया और केक भी काटा।